Hi and welcome in this new video. We know the life is based on our decision and you can see a successful person and a loser that do different choices in their life. The same thing with health. So in this video you will learn how to make the right decision to get your goal and the things that you want. And I will show you exactly the steps that I have took to become an entrepreneur and have a nice health, and you can do the same. So make sure to watch the video until the end, and before go on this list, leave the like and subscribe to the channel if you are new. The first point that I wanna speak today, it's just think at your past, about maybe 5 years ago or just 1 year ago. What type of choices do you have made? And where are you now today? Because I can see that in the past 4 years I made a decision to eat right, work out, run, do cardio and everything possible to get my health right. And now I am here and I can be very happy of my health and my body. So maybe in your past you had some goals that you had achieved through choices and good decision, and you should pretty much use the same template, the same structure for every goal that you want to accomplish. If I think back, for example, to business, I have made a lot of choices based on what I will do if I don't go to work to a 9 to 5. I made some decision, for example in summer, to not go out and just stay at home working, wake up early and enjoy a little bit less my life, but to have a nice, a better future. And now, on the distance of some years, I can say that now I'm pretty much independent here at the house of my parents, and my next goal is to leave and go live alone. But now everything, I pay everything myself with my car, and I can say that I'm pretty happy that the choices they have made. And you're probably maybe in the same situation or you wanna change. The next point is when you are in front of a choice, maybe watch Netflix or watch a course, you should think, okay, what a successful person will do. Just think this. Every time I am in front of decision, I will think this, and I will know exactly the answer, and I know that the successful person will not stay in front of Netflix for 2 hours, but will simply maybe watch 10-20 minutes maximum of Netflix and then go back to work and learning. So this is the same for you. When you are in front of a choices, if you should maybe do A or do B, just think, okay, what a successful person will do. And you can increase this mindset simply watching YouTube videos where successful people talk at the camera or at an interview, and you can see that they have a different decision from poor people. The next point is when you are also in front of a decision, just think which decisions brings you near your goal. Just for example, with my body, every time I am in front of a choice if eat junk food or healthy food, I will think, okay, now if I eat maybe an apple, I go closer to my goal and my dream body. But if I eat an hamburger, I will go away from that goal and that results. And this really drives me to choose the healthy snack, because I think that it's true, but I think that little steps it takes me to my goal, and at the end it's true, because I can see on my experience that it's pretty much this. The next point is have always in mind your final vision, because everybody has a goal and everybody has different goals. For example, I can have my goals, my vision, and you have a completely different vision from me, and this is great. But everybody should always have the end goal in mind. So when you are in front of a choices, you do the right choice based on what you wanna become or what you wanna have or do, and not what you wanna have in the moment. Because just think, if you have pleasure at the moment eating junk food or watching Netflix, on the long term it's not good. But if at the opposite you will work and maybe have a hard time now, this will absolutely help you to have a good life in the future, because it's pretty much the base of a successful person, the work and the good choices. And the last point that I want to share with you, it's surround yourself with the right people, because I have seen many times that if I go out with friends that are in shape and eat right and work out, they will probably drink water and eat healthy stuff. But if I go out with some friends that they don't watch the health, they will probably go to McDonald's or drink alcohol and other stuff. So you will feel more, as I say, you will feel really influenced by the people that you go around. Because if you see that everybody takes the water, you are more likely to take the water to drink or the healthy food. But if everybody take the alcohol, you will feel a little bit out of place if you take the water or something non-alcohol. So it's really important that you make sure to hang out with the right people, not for your instant happiness, but with your long-term goal. And the same thing in relationship. You should be sure that your partner is helping you achieving your goal, and he is not holding you back, or maybe he's not stopping you from achieving that result. So it's really important that you should choose the right person that you wanna hang out. And a little bit of conclusion of this video before to stop the video. I will say that pretty much 80% of every choices should be good, and you can take a 20% of your choices that can be bad. For example, if today I should make 10 choices in my day, at least 8 choices should be towards your goal. And then you can have 2 choices that maybe you watch Netflix and you go out for a walk, because this helps you to get a sustainable lifestyle. And as I said in another video, my goal at the moment is to live an enjoyable life, and yes, I am working a lot, but once you achieve more money and more success, you can a little bit work less time and be more relaxed, because you know that you have the money to enjoy the life. So please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.